I want a front row pew down at the Cosmic Empire. And I'm the present view down at the Cosmic Empire. Where one's truth comes shining clear, it feels like there. But where one's world all disappear, it shines bright there. Down at the Cosmic Empire. Down at the Cosmic Empire. Where our souls are filled with joy, I can't resist there. Spirit no one can destroy, you'll find bliss there. Down at the Cosmic Empire. Down at the Cosmic Empire. Hey folks, it's going to be a quick lesson for Cosmic Empire by George Harrison off the new All Things Must Pass deluxe version. So this is just a demo by George, so I'll say this is tricky to play, tricky to sing. Sounds simple, but it's not, at least the way I'm playing it. So this is just my arrangement for this. There's definitely different ways to play this. I'm certainly not playing this exactly how George played it or anything like that. But this might give you a start. If you're trying to learn the song, this might give you some helpful hints, we'll say, to really perfect this the way you want to play it. So let me give you what I have. The guitar is in standard tuning. There's no capo. I am playing this. The song is in the key of E major. So get that nice E chord, but you never really play the E chord. Not really. So I'm going to start the little riff. So the little riff, that is going to be a little two-finger shape. I'm going to play that at the 3rd string and the 1st string at the 4th fret. So so it's going to be that. That's the 1st. Then slide it down to the 2nd. And then open up the high E. Then put back the high E on the 2nd, the F sharp, and then slide it up to the 4th. And then the E. So it's something like this. And if you want to add the slides, you can. This is optional. So more in real time. It's pretty fast the way he plays it. And then the next phrase, another two-finger phrase, and it goes to an A chord. Now here I'm going to play on the G string 3rd string 4th fret, the D string 4th string 6th fret. So that's a nice comfortable two-finger shape. I'm going to play it there. Let me do it slow. And there. I'm going to slide it down 2 frets. I'm going to play a little mini A bar chord, and then walk that back up, what you just played, that same shape, and then walk it back. It's a little slide back up there, and then an A chord, a little lazy A. So again, it sounds something like this slow. Kind of hard to slide when you're going slow. So in real time, let me try it. Kind of the slides, if you want the slides, something like that, to an A, and that's the verses. So you got the E, and then this to the A, and then you're going to go, the transition chord I'm hearing is an F sharp minor, and then the middle part of the song, we'll call it to where one's truth comes. That's an A. Where one's truth comes shining clear. That's a D. To an F. It feels like there. It's an F, G, back to A, and that repeats. To where a wonder disappear. That's a D. Now the F, G, A, B7, B7, and then you're back in the E. So, folks, that's going to be a quick lesson for Cosmic Empire, this great new demo. I mean, we've heard it before, but we have an official release now of Cosmic Empire on the George Harrison All Things Must Pass Deluxe Edition. So glad we have it. It sounds great. Too bad we didn't ever get George to finish this one. Maybe somebody out there will. But that's Cosmic Empire by George Harrison. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon.